How to change Siri's language on iPhone on your latest iOS. Before we start this tutorial, please make sure that you hit subscribe and ring that bell. Okay, first off, just go to your settings. Scroll to the bottom a bit and choose Siri and search. Now to actually change the language, all you need to do is click on the language and you can change it to whatever language is available and you want it. So for example, Mandarin, change language. And now your language should be Chinese. Now if you wanted to change it back to English, for example, in my case, then just switch on to English. You can also change the voice and the dialect or accent, and that's pretty much how to change a Siri's language on iPhone. If you find this content to be helpful and you wanted to see more, please make sure that you hit subscribe, like, and comment down to our channel. If you have any suggestions or any topics that you want us at Tech Tricks to cover, please put it on the comment section down below. Cheers, I hope it helps, and until the next tutorial, YouTube, bye.